for today's video, guys. Another unboxing time. So, nag-order naman tayo, guys, ng another book, guys. So, ang SRP niya po is 208 pesos, guys. Let's open it. Maganda rin dito, guys, is nakaka-bubble wrap siya, guys. Opo, as you can see. Ayan na po. Ayan. Ito naman, guys, ay about sa 8 Rules of Love. Yung author niya is si Jay Shetty. How to find it, keep it, and let it go. May kasama na rin siya, guys, bookmark. At makapal po siya, guys. Yeah. Diba? Ang ganda, guys. Another babasahin na naman siya, guys. At saka #1 Sunday Time bestseller author. Marami na naman ako babasa, guys. So, thank you for watching, guys. So, if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to your friends. See you in my next vlog, guys. God bless you all. Bye!